day on your own, and here it goes. Just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid, I know that it's not fair.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a firework video. So basically, as you know, because of COVID-19, many fireworks shows were canceled, and so my family decided to buy a bunch of fireworks and put them in our backyard, invite some family and friends over, and we are going to have our own little firework backyard show. And I also decided to put it on my YouTube channel because I know there are plenty of people out there who are missing fireworks tonight, and I'm sure they want to see fireworks. So I'm getting my sparkler lit right now, as you can see. But yeah, we're gonna set up some fireworks. But right now, before we start with the fireworks, we're just all here with our sparklers, and then we're gonna go on our back porch, our back deck, and we're gonna start up the fireworks. As you know, these fireworks are little like fountain fireworks and sparkler thingies, just things that don't shoot up like rockets, but they are very cool if you wait and just watch. And so yeah, I hope you have an amazing 4th of July and enjoy this video, because we are about to start We're about to start the fireworks. So here they go. First one.
Oh, it films horribly.
Oh no, one fell.
Ooh.
It's a blood moon. We have to worship it.
I know.
No, it's cheese. No, it's a blood moon.
It's cheese.
It looks like cheese.
Whoa. That one's going long. Oh, that's a fountain one. They like shoot them.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa!
Oh, this one's going long.
Woo!
That was cool.
Oh my god.
This one was not a dog.
Is this legal?
Look back there and ruins the whole thing.
Bro, look at the moon.
Oh, I zoomed in on the moon too.
God, I'm gonna
That's
zoom
just
in
an
on
orange moon.
Woo! What? What the heck? What just happened? If you get more, can you just send them to me?
Yeah. Oh, this one's cool. This one's cool.
Woo!
This is so cool. It's not high. Did you know this is made out of gunpowder?
No, I didn't.
Come flying out. You like that song? Well, we're doing these little ones. We hear ginormous ones.
Oh my god. Oh my.
These are cool.
I mean, yeah, they're cool for backyard fireworks.
Yeah.
Woo!
That was big.
That's nice. What on earth? Bruh. It keeps going. Woo!
I think the biggest one is the biggest dud.
Oh my god. Whoa.
I don't know which one is the last one. I don't know which one is
It's pretty different from what we normally see, like when we go to fireworks in the city.
I thought that was you shaking.
No.
Well, the base is closed.
They might have not done it
the
because
base is
it's closed.
Is this one gonna do anything? Watch it, like all of a sudden just pop up. Oh!
That was looks different.
Oh, it's it's smaller,
I
but
think
it's.
it might be spelling out like America or something.
What is it doing?
It's not spelling out America.
It's definitely spelling out America. Oh my god.
What if it was?
This might not be the big one. I think it's the next ones.
Whoa, that one's bright.
That's just a normal. Oh, it is bright. Look at all the trash around it. All the exploded fireworks. If I just swoop them off and then put on a new one.
Oh my god, I'm so itchy.
Are the mosquitoes biting you?
Yes.
Oh,
They're biting me too.
Oh, mosquitoes are biting.
I know.
I put some spray on too. Like,
I wish I
I
did.
didn't. No.
This one's going a long time.
Take that.
that one's cool.
The noise is what it's like, bro. Oh, he gets. I wonder how big.
Oh, wow.
Oh, totally. I hope it gets bigger. Because you see it's in like a big container. Come on!
Yeah, that's one of the big ones.
It's not even that big though.
No, I thought it was like actually.
I hope all of a sudden it just gets
That's
bigger.
a big one.
I think it eventually gets there.
We'll see. I mean, the noise is really weird. It's like snap, crackle, pop.
I love.
I might turn the flash on my camera.
That one's long. I'm literally.
Maybe it's just longer.
Oh, I think it's getting bigger.
Maybe it just lasts longer. Okay. Bro, you can hear the real fireworks. Like, oh.
Guys, what are you?
But they weren't upset. They were just like,
Here comes. Let's see if it's cooling out. Whoa.
waiting for the popping.
Come on, do some.
Pop, pop, pop.
Oh no, what if a flame flew out?
Stop.
Oh no.
Yeah, me too. Oh, we're back on the wall and you see all the reflections.
Oh my
I know.
Wow.
It's shaking. Come on. Woo! James, where are you going? Woo! Oh.
I would not want to get that close.
Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's fireworks show. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you enjoyed seeing some fireworks, even if you saw some this year or not, because everything's been crazy because of COVID. And so yeah, we're just going to end off the night with some sparklers and happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and leave a like. I hope you have an amazing holiday and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.